Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Mirabel from Encanto. So that's pretty much it. I would say if you're a beginner, you probably will be able to draw this. So you can just try it, and I'll, go through it slowly, step by step. It's going to be kind of like an upper body pose. But all right, let's get started, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do with Mirabel here is I'm going to draw a circle here, but not entirely. Well, yeah, it's going to be a circle. It's going to be for one eye. All right, going to go over here, move over a little bit. Draw the other eye. Line over here. Line over here. Draw kind of like off the cheek there. Gonna go over here and draw a circle. Pretty medium sized to big circle inside. Over here as well. Medium to big size circle on this side. Circle over here. Circle on this side, and I'm going to fill in the rest. The small circle is going to be for a highlight. Alright, and now I'm going to draw some eyelashes here. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why I'm counting them. It doesn't really matter how many, but off of on one direction here. Over here on the other side. Alright, now the hardest part of the whole drawing, it's going to be the glasses. So, let's just do a circle on one side here. If you want to draw them in chunks, you can draw it like that, right? One over here. Go over here to the other side. And right here. We're going to leave it like that, because what you could do is you could kind of like double it up, right? But that'll be good enough. Line over here, connecting the glasses. I'm gonna go down here and draw her nose. So I'm gonna go down like an L on one side, over here on the other side. Alright. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw, so the line of the head, it's going to be like right there. It's going to come pretty close to her head, like you can see it through the glasses there. And it's going to go up, over here, curve, I'm going to go over here on this side. And I'm going to find the bottom of the chin by putting a point there, maybe, like distance-wise, because I don't want to overshoot it. And I'm going to curve around here for the side of the cheek. Like there on this side. And then I'm going to go over here to this side. Down over here for the neck, down over here this side, curving out, kind of for the shoulder area. Gonna go over here, find her ear. So I'm gonna draw a line up here, out, down over here for the top of the ear. And then I'm gonna draw the earring, so I'm gonna curve, one small curve, one large curve. Simple shape for the ear. It's kind of like a straight line and a curve. Gonna go to this end now. Kind of even it off over here. Out. Curve. Curve line here. Small curve. And big curve. Line, line. Gonna go to the top of the head. Gonna have a swoop of the hair, right? The hairline. So it's gonna be like that kind of swoop as well on this side. I'm gonna wiggle it down here to about the ear level. And then at the ear level, I'm gonna pull up just a bit, like it's gonna hook out, curve in. Pulling down a bit, but it's pulling toward the inward over here. So another strand of hair. Curve over here. Maybe one more little strand of hair curving in here. Actually, let me get to the smile because I forgot to do that. So I'm gonna start over here. I'm gonna mark the edges of the mouth that I want. And the first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw just like a curve like that, keeping the line relatively thin. And now I'm gonna go to the top of the face here. So that's the top of the lip, I mean. And you want to draw those lines really thin, otherwise they're gonna call too much attention to themselves. And now I'm gonna draw the top of the lower lip, like that. Line, really thin line in here because you want the teeth to show. And then you want the lower lip. Trying to keep all these lines thin. That's gonna be kind of the hassle, I would say, in it. Let's go over here and find our eyebrows. Line over here. Line over here. She's got this kind of like nervous expression. Pulling up, same thing. Pulling down, kind of wiggling down, up. Down over here. Up over here. Line over here. Alright, let's find her outfit. So I'm going to throw a curve right here for the top of her kind of dress area. We're going to throw a line straight, dip down for the clavicle area, and straight again. But we're going to try to make them not touch the edges of that. Go up a little bit, out for the cloth, out over here, down, down. We're down for the shoulders. And I'm going to draw these kind of like this kind of shape. This bump, 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 bump. Go over here to this side, and I'm going to draw a wavy, thinner line over here. Like that's going to be part of the design. And I'm just going to draw circles because drawing the other stuff is going to be way, way, way too complex. She has very complex characters on there. So I'm going to draw there. Down over here. Same thing for the sleeve. Line. Line out. Line out. Line over here. Curve. 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 And then line down for the arms. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. That's Encanto. Really cool movie. But yeah, that's it. I will talk to you in the next video, and I will see you very soon, alright? Make this the video that you subscribe to. I post 3 drawing lessons every single weekday. So, like I said, most people that watch this are not subscribed. Please consider subscribing on this video. What it does is when you subscribe and click the bell notification, it's going to let you know what video I'm teaching that day, like what subject. And I teach every kind of subject under the sun, but you'll see it on your feed and you'll see the thumbnail for what I'm teaching that day. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.